Welcome to week 45 of Where Am I Investing? For the last 44 weeks, I have been sharing my mutual fund investment journey with you. If you have been following along, you already know I am not just picking funds randomly. Every week, I track performance, compare with the market, and build my portfolio step by step, in public with full transparency. So far, I have invested in five different mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, Parag Flexi Cap Fund, and Invesco India Mid Cap Fund. Let's take a quick look at how they are performing. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is down 2% with a CAGR of negative 3%. Bandhan Small Cap Fund is up 3% with a CAGR of 6%. HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 14% with a CAGR of 26%. Parag Flexi Cap Fund is up 12% with a CAGR of 21%. Invesco India Mid Cap Fund is down 1% with a CAGR of negative 9%. When put it all together, my overall portfolio is up 2% with a CAGR of 4%. Now, here's the interesting part. During the same period, Sensex is actually down 0.9% with a CAGR of negative 1%. So, despite a few funds being in the red, this strategy of diversification and consistent investing is keeping me ahead of the market. Coming to this week's investment, I invested again in Invesco India Mid Cap Fund with the same amount as week 1. That means if I started with 1000 rupees in week 1, I am putting 1000 rupees again this week. But why Invesco India Midcap Fund again? That's because midcaps by nature are volatile. They don't always shine in the short term, but historically they have created massive wealth over the long term. Right now, this fund is slightly in the red, and that's exactly why I see it as an opportunity. It's a simple mindset: invest consistently, trust the process, and use these dips to accumulate more units at cheaper prices. That wraps up week 45 of Where Am I Investing? If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Drop a comment with your thoughts, and most importantly, subscribe so you don't miss week 46. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.